Hey everybody, this is Alex with Alabama Truck Outfitters, here to talk to you about some bed covers. You know, we sell and install bed covers here at Alabama Truck Outfitters. Right here on this Jeep Gladiator bed, we've got a roll and lock. This is an M series bed cover. Nice thing about it, you can use this. You don't have to go all the way to the other side of the bed to open and close it. Also, you can open and close it with the tailgate shut. Let's go outside and check out some more bed covers. Alright, we got another roll and lock series here, but this is an A series. The difference between this one and the one out there that you saw, this one has an aluminum cover, the other is a vinyl. So this one does have a lot cleaner look with the powder coated aluminum on top of it. Same thing here. You can open it, it'll lock in place, and you can also close it without having to mess with the tailgate. Now, on these hard folding covers, these are probably some of the most popular bed covers just because you don't lose a whole lot of bed space, but you can fold them up. Also, if your tailgate has a lock on it, you can lock your tailgate. You can't really get into this without opening your tailgate. So once you open the tailgate, then you can go in here. And some of these will have a cord. This one here has a cable that runs from side to side, but it also allows you to be able to open this up. So you can use the full bed if you need to. And these arms will hold this up. Now, some people are worried about not being able to see out of their back window, but also if you have something heavy in the bed and something happens where you get in a wreck or you have to slam on the brakes, this also works as a headache rack to protect you and whoever else is in the truck from anything going through this back window. If you just need to use a portion of the bed, there's also clips here, so you can lock it in place here. That way, if you need to put something that's not going to take up the full bed space in the bed, you can just open it to here and then lock these in place and still be able to drive down the road. Another nice thing about these is it's got seals here, but it also has seals underneath here. The rails that are on here act as a gutter system. If rain gets past these seals here, or any kind of water, this acts as a gutter system. There's also, when water gets in here, it will run all the way to the end of here and then through the bottom of the bed. On this truck, it has an automatic tailgate, but it still works with the bed cover. Has no issues here, plenty of clearance. I got this. Have a day.